Namaste, welcome to Home #Life. As many of you requested for a motivational video and I get many queries on how to keep up with our home, I thought to share 7 of my best homemaking tips. If you like the content, do let me know by liking the video. I will be continuing it as a series to have further insights from my day-to-day life. Before starting, a quick reminder, subscribe to Home #Life and press the bell icon to get regular updates. So, let's get started. My very first tip will be start the day with a fresh and positive note. As we all know, morning is a very important time of the day because the way you spend your morning can often tell what kind of a day you are going to have. So try to have a very positive morning. Those of us staying at home for the entire day, we need full of positivity. Every day you ask one single question to yourself. I want to be happy or unhappy. You will see a big difference in your attitude. I promise you that. Spend a quick 10 minutes to clean and tidy yourself for the day before you start taking care of your home. Be more conscious about self-love. The first thing I wish to do in the morning is to have a bath and get ready for the day. I do see visible changes throughout my day. I spend my day by following daily routines. I feel more communicative with neighbors and I don't hesitate to go out if needed as I'm already groomed a bit. I'm able to set my good habits and goals for the day and I'm so proud of that. P.S. Don't forget to note these tips in your diary or planner. It will help you to understand your day in a better way and you can shuffle them as per your lifestyle or need. So go grab a pen and paper. Tip number 2 will be do a favor to your health. Start walking or exercising. Probably you are wondering how come exercising is a part of homemaking tips. My question is, why not? The more you keep yourself fit, more energy you will gain and you will be active throughout the day to tackle homemaking very efficiently. I am so guilty of not maintaining my walk on regular basis, but I am trying to do something at home for 15 minutes or half an hour at least. I know it's not sufficient and I am working towards this good habit. Hope very soon I will be able to set the routine. Mostly I dance because I love dancing or even I try to do few stretches. I would like to encourage everyone to continue to focus on health and if you do not have access to gym or clean roads in your locality and find it difficult to walk in open, then switch on the TV or YouTube and do something to stay fit, be it aerobics, Zumba, yoga, etc. Tip number 3 is strive for happiness, not perfection. Many of you always compliment my effort for making our home always clean and tidy. Today I decided to show you a real life homemaking situation in our home. Things are messy so many times. Laundry has been folded but I didn't put away. Dishes are cleaned but piled up on the countertop. I didn't dust home for 2 days as I was down with fever. But I tell myself, it's completely okay. I know my body and mind is completely exhausted and demanding rest. Mental health is so much important like anything. My first priority is taking care of myself. Today is Tuesday. You are watching me changing the bed sheet which I am supposed to change on Sunday. Also, the whole day I was not at home, so after coming back I started my household chores in the evening. It's completely fine to have a messy home. You live in there, making memories, and trust me, this is really important. Our families adore us. They never complain or demean our efforts, isn't it? So take care of your mental health, which is your happiness first, and then try to make things better, not perfect. Tip number 4, stay updated and create awareness. Now this tip is really close to my heart. This is need of the hour and I really want to share it with you all. As a homemaker, we pay very less attention to news, just like financial matter, because most of us think that it's male world. If we really want to be a good homemaker and want to leave a better world for our children, then try to stay updated. Start watching news or read newspaper. Follow any daily news bulletin to stay up to date with what is happening around us and why. Very recently, there has been huge hue and cry for water crisis in India, banning plastic and so on. I'm not going into details, but I truly believe that if we are aware of the happenings around us, we will be self-aware automatically and it will reflect truly on our day-to-day activity like saving water, planting trees and many more. I really wish this message can bring some positive changes at least for few households. As we all know, little drops of water make a mighty ocean. Let's start with our drop and hope to see a change to make our land a beautiful place to live in. Tip number 5, eat right and don't overeat. Many of you asked me about how to reduce weight. Chalo, let's try these tips today and don't forget to tell me if these tips will work for you. For breakfast, make right choices at least for 5 days a week. Today, as you can see, I'm eating oats, chia seeds and banana. Kind of boring, but over a period of time, I have developed a liking towards this particular breakfast. I also eat poha, upma, idli, dosa, eggs for breakfast to keep the variation and satisfy my taste bud, but always in controlled portion. And another big change we need to do is how we perceive leftover food and deal with it. There will always be some leftovers and they will be alright in the fridge. I have seen my aunts, mother, they always try to finish the leftover by themselves. Because leftover cannot be kept in fridge, it will kill the nutrition and many more such apprehensions. But what about the overeating? It's literally killing the stay fit efforts what we have all done in the morning to stay fit. So make right choices and eat in portion. And for those who is against eating the overnight refrigerated food, try calculating the actual need and make a bit less so that leftovers can be avoided. Tip number 6, take a day off. I know we homemakers feel so guilty of taking rest without any reason, or ordering food from outside, or even asking our family members to cook for us, except that we are ill. If situations demand, then we can try to change the outlook a bit and seek some comfort from our better halves, family members, and listen to our tiring body as well. Of course, not in a day, but slowly everyone will realize that small contributions from everyone can manage stress on our body and mind. I take a day off on Friday or Saturday after posting my YouTube video. Complete rest. I watch movies or any Prime Video series. I'm sure this habit will take care of your adrenaline and cortisol. Now here comes my last tip, tip number 7. Find your time to do household chores. Now there is a thing we need to understand. We all work differently and have different work patterns. Find the time of the day when you feel most productive. For me, it's morning time. After my husband and daughter left home for the day, I take 10 to 15 minutes for cleaning and dusting. I pick any specific place or thing, be it in kitchen or outside lobby of the house. That's my random cleaning time. And I love to sip my chai listening to music while I do cleaning. Cleaning is a stress buster for me because I love to cherish a clean space and it brings positivity for me. It might be something else for you which gives you a kick, for example, painting or talking with friends over phone or family, etc. These tips always help me to keep up with our home and help me to be self-aware and create happiness. I hope these tips will motivate you to have an organized homemaking. If you liked it, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and I will continue this series every month. Do share the video with someone you love and care, and also don't forget to share your way of homemaking too. I would love to read and learn from them, and of course I will try to incorporate as well. Follow us on Instagram for daily motivation. Our handle is home#life by Jaya. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing.